Alright, this video is on explaining the scopes of the marketplace application STR task. So I'm going to go one by one on all of them, why we need those scopes and what do they do. So in our previous video, we explained how the sync is connected, how the contacts are updated, and how the data is flowing from your PMS to your LeadConnector application. So for contacts, the access, read, and write information is needed because we need to add the contacts in the contacts object. And for the read is basically for checking if the contact with the same name already exists, and the write is to add the contact in the sub account. The object schema write and read is for creating objects in your LeadConnector account. So we on our initial sync, we create the schema, the objects with all the fields in it, and for the read information, the schema read, which is basically checking if this field or the object already exists or not, so we don't create duplicate fields. So that's a schema read and write. Record read and write, this is for adding the data from the PMS to the custom object that's made. So and also the read is for checking if the data already exists, and the write is basically for checking for adding information inside the object that gets created. Location custom fields and write, again same thing. Inside the objects we need to create custom fields, and the custom fields hold all the information from the PMS coming in. And yeah, again, the read information is for checking if the field already exists, because we have a self-healing feature that checks if the field already exists. If they don't, we automatically create the deleted one or the missed ones, and the write is for creating the fields. The OAuth read and write are required for marketplace. The user's access to read is for whenever the application is installed, we redirect the user to our website where we create the session and everything for that specific user who just installed the application. So that's why we need the user read access to create the account in our STR desk. Association access to read and write is basically for the relationships that we make in the custom objects. So if I go to the properties and show you the associations, you can see the property is related to reservations, because reservation gets tied to property, and same goes for the other ones as well. So if I go to the reviews here, associations, you can see it's tied to reservation, and it's the same thing for contacts. Contacts are tied to reservations. Yeah, so you can see the data related, like which contact belongs to which reservation and which I'm sorry, reservation. So yeah, that's it. So the relation read write is basically for linking the data together. So if I go to my object right here, properties, I can click on this one, and if I go to associations, you can see that this is tied to for reservation. So this is basically for read is for checking if the relation already exists. Write is for linking the properties or the custom objects together. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have any questions.